Hey everyone, have you ever tried downloading an apps and got this unknown message? Your device is not compatible with this version. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will show you why this happens and exactly how to fix it. See, this is the problem. Your device is not compatible with this version. Okay, how to fix it? First, check your internet connection. Okay, and now tap on the Play Store app and click on the I button and click on the first stops. Okay, and scroll down, then click on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete data. Okay, back. Now click on the permission option and allow all permission. Now click on the contacts, allow, location, allow, microphone, allow, nearby device, allow, notification, allow, phone, allow, SMS, allow. Okay, back. And second step, now click on the Google Play Store app and click on the profile icon and click on the manage apps and device and click on the used and delete some on apps. Now click on the delete. Okay, back and click on the profile icon, scroll down, then click on the settings option and click on the about option, scroll down, then click on the update Google Play Store. Okay, now Google Play Store already updated. Okay, back and click on the restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open Google Play Store app and try again, install your app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.